Hi, I'm Jackie. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use a free app to edit zone information for your G60 alarm system. The first step, I'm going to use a free app to control the alarm system. So I'm gonna away arm the alarm system. Now the alarm panel has been successfully away armed by free app. The next step, I'm going to trigger the alarm by separating the magnetic contact. Now alarm is triggered, so I should receive the SMS got the phone call. I can answer the phone call right here to confirm it. So now it shows me the alarm message is 00001 alarm system 11 zone backyard door alarm. Right. Now I'm going to the next step. Disarm the alarm panel. Go to free app. And here, tap edit. Here we need to enter zone number and the zone name and CID code. So what's the CID code? You can read the included menu and can go to page 25. Here you can see the CID code for the 11 zone is 134. So the next, here we enter the zone number and enter the zone name. So this is the front door. For example, we go to the bedroom door. So the CID code we enter 134. After we fill the information, then we click done. Now the alarm panel make a long beep to confirm it has received the message. So I'm going to test it again. So just away on the alarm panel. And now the alarm panel has been successfully away armed. I'm going to trigger the alarm again. So now alarm is triggered again, so this is the bedroom door. So it's showing me the bedroom door. Now I have received the message again, so press here to hang up. And here is a new message, the alarming message with new content. So 11 zone bedroom door alarming. Right. That's it. So maybe you can hear clearly. Also, we can see the zone name has been changed on LCD display.